Hey everyone, just wanted to make you aware that something wonderful is starting as of New Year's. We have now opened up another YouTube channel. It's called Dwayne Lemon Consulting. On this channel, we are going to focus on the 3 topics that encompasses what Dwayne Lemon Consulting offers to its clients. 1 is biblical marriage coaching and counseling. Number 2 is mental health and wellness. 3 is going to be addiction recovery. This is where you're going to see a lot of content being put out where we're going to talk a lot about what can help our marriages become a reflection a little more like heaven on earth. We're also going to learn about different things that we can do to build up our minds, that we can have strong minds, which also includes strong bodies. And then lastly, we're going to talk about how to finally break the chains of addictions when it comes to pornography. These are subjects, family, that we're going to specifically and solely talk about on Dwayne Lemon Consulting on that YouTube channel. So we know that there's a channel you all have subscribed to where I do a lot of the preaching. That's where sermons go. But for this one, this is where you will get all of this content where we're going to be uploading messages every single week. We are going to begin our series talking about the need for the fruit of the Holy Spirit in our marriages. And so much to come. So we're going to encourage you, go visit the channel, Dwayne Lemon Consulting. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, and then share with your friends, and look forward to some powerful blessings for 2026. God bless you.